Welcome to this comprehensive overview of DigiFinex, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges in the world. In this video, I'll walk you through the platform step by step, highlighting its features, usability, and tools to help you make informed trading decisions. DigiFinex offers an intuitive interface, catering to both beginners and professional traders. It supports a wide array of cryptocurrencies and trading pairs, ensuring that you'll find your preferred assets. Begin by visiting the homepage, where the streamlined design helps you quickly access the main trading features, market data, and account management options. After signing up with the link in the description to claim your bonus, you'll be taken to the dashboard. The dashboard is clean and customizable, showing your portfolio, market trends, and recent activity. On DigiFinex, you can explore spot trading, margin trading, and even futures, each with robust charting tools powered by TradingView. These tools allow you to analyze market movements, apply technical indicators, and execute trades confidently. Navigating to the Markets tab, you can explore various trading pairs. DigiFinex provides competitive fees and deep liquidity, ensuring that trades are executed quickly and efficiently. To make your first trade, select your desired pair, choose your order type, market, limit, or stop limit, and confirm the transaction. The exchange also supports fiat on-ramps, allowing you to deposit funds using credit cards or bank transfers for a smoother experience. Security is a top priority at DigiFinex. The platform offers two-factor authentication, 2FA, and other robust measures to protect your funds and personal information. Additionally, DigiFinex frequently updates its platform to incorporate user feedback, making it a continuously improving exchange. Don't miss the chance to explore their staking options, which allow you to earn passive income on your idle assets. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Finally, if you're looking for a reliable exchange with advanced features and a wide variety of trading options, DigiFinex could be the perfect choice for you. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more in-depth crypto tutorials. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest tips and reviews.